Everyone, Rob Sean here with the Deep Aura's Startup Check-in, where I give you a slice of our journey. Today, we're working on a project that integrates a Copilot Studio agent with Bitrix24 CRM for a tech support company. Our objective is for our AI agent to generate a report of reoccurring deals and invoices so that the business does not miss out on retaining customers and easy money. This seems like a straightforward and easy objective given that Bitrix24 has a well-documented API. We should be able to simply build a tool using Power Automate's custom connectors by uploading an OpenAPI version 2.0 YAML file. This YAML file tells the Copilot agent how to contextualize the responses in the prompt and build an HTTP request for the Bitrix24 API. Then the Bitrix24 API responds back, and the YAML file tells the Copilot agent how to handle that response as well. Well, we ran into issues because Copilot Studio has some peculiarities with how variables are named. In a nutshell, in Copilot Studio, variable names can only have alphanumeric characters. You aren't allowed to have brackets or dots or quotation marks. So if you're attempting to do some kind of nested notation using those symbols, you're going to run into these errors where Copilot Studio has a hard time mapping out those input variable names. So our solution was to make an API wrapper, which is an API of itself that accepts Copilot Studio friendly input parameters and then transforms them into Bitrix24 friendly input parameters. So this was our original flow, and this is our solution flow. It exactly is how I described. We basically have the same thing where a user will start prompting the agent, and then our YAML file for the API wrapper tells the agent how to build this request. But this request has only camel case and alphanumerical characters that works well in Copilot Studio. It allows us to kind of build out our topics and make them branch out without any of those pesky errors. The agent sends that request to the wrapper. The wrapper then transforms that request and sends it off to Bitrix. Bitrix responds, and then it responds to the wrapper. The wrapper does the same thing. It transforms that response and sends it back to the agent. So we're currently in our testing phase. Right now, I have it in our local testing. This is the API that's running on my local machine right now. And the way we're testing is using Bruno, and we are currently successful here. We're getting the right responses, and our unit tests are passing. So the next step is to take our API, our microservice, which I'm really grateful for that I have experience of, and deploying it to the cloud. Um, it just reminds me that chatbots and these agents are just another interface for users to interact with the software. So having full stack experience where I had to build another microservice on top of the Copilot Studio was super helpful to have. I'm really, really grateful for that. So stay tuned for more check-ins to see how this development and solution goes. And hopefully we'll be able to answer the question, can you make money with AI? I sure hope so.